products are a one-time payment, VAT included, 60-day money-back guarantee, no subscriptions, no hidden fees. Page facing up, what you are getting. Product type: digital PDF ebook downloadable file, works on all devices. Delivery: instant PDF sent to your email immediately after purchase. Price $37 USD, one-time payment only, no subscription, no hidden fees. Guarantee: full 60-day money-back guarantee via DG Store 24. Contents: complete 30-day time-restricted eating guide with 30-day calendar. Level: complete beginner, no fasting experience required. Hourglass Not Done intermittent fasting ebook. The time-restricted reset, lose 15 pounds in 30 days while eating what you love, ebook. A practical, step-by-step PDF ebook that teaches you how to use time-restricted eating to shed unwanted weight without giving up your favorite foods or counting every calorie. Page facing up, digital PDF ebook. Prohibited, no subscription. White heavy checkmark, 60-day guarantee. High voltage instant delivery. $37 one-time payment only. Shopping cart: buy ebook now, $37. Lock secure checkout via DG Store 24, instant email delivery. What if you could lose up to 15 pounds in 30 days without giving up the foods you love or spending hours at the gym? The time-restricted reset reveals the science and practice of time-restricted eating, one of the most powerful and research-backed approaches to natural weight loss. By simply changing when you eat rather than completely overhauling what you eat, your body shifts into a powerful fat-burning state. This comprehensive guide gives you everything you need: exact eating windows, daily schedules, food strategies, and troubleshooting tips. Format: digital PDF ebook delivery, instant via email. Length: comprehensive guide with 30-day calendar. Complete 30-day time-restricted eating schedule. The science behind why fasting triggers fat burning. The best eating windows for maximum weight loss results. Foods and drinks that enhance your fasting results. What to avoid that secretly breaks your fast. How to break your fast correctly every single time. Meal timing strategies that fit any lifestyle. How to push past weight loss plateaus using fasting. Common beginner mistakes and exactly how to avoid them. Fasting for women, special considerations covered. Exercise and fasting, how to combine them effectively. How to handle hunger, social eating, and travel. Coffee, tea, and fasting, what's allowed. Long-term fasting lifestyle, how to maintain results. Full 30-day meal timing calendar included. Instant PDF download. Start your reset today. Anyone who wants to lose weight without eliminating favorite foods. People who have struggled with traditional calorie counting diets. Those with busy schedules needing a flexible eating approach. Anyone curious about intermittent fasting but unsure how to start. People who want a natural, science-backed 30-day program. Those who have hit a plateau with traditional dieting. Anyone wanting to simplify their approach to healthy eating. People wanting proven results without complicated meal prep. I lost 16 pounds in 30 days and I didn't give up a single food I love. I just changed when I ate. The schedule was easy to follow and the results came faster than I expected. Carlos M. Engineer, Madrid, Spain. -16 lbs in 30 days. After years of failed diets, intermittent fasting finally worked for me. This guide explained everything so clearly. No hunger, no deprivation, just results. Down 20 pounds in 6 weeks. Patricia A. Mother of 3, Florida, USA. -20 lbs in 6 weeks. The 30-day calendar made this so simple to follow. I knew exactly what to do each day. My energy improved, my waistline shrank, and I feel completely in control of my eating for the first time. James W. Consultant, NYC, USA. Transformed. 60-day money-back guarantee. We are confident that this guide from FitLife Solutions will provide you with valuable, Practical insights to support your weight loss journey. However, if for any reason you are not completely satisfied with your purchase, we offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee, which will be processed securely through DG Store 24. Simply contact us within 60 days of purchase, no questions asked. Ready to start your reset? Get instant access to this complete PDF ebook today. $37 one-time payment. Shopping cart, get instant access, $37. Credit card, one-time payment of $37, VAT included, no subscription, instant PDF delivery via email, white heavy checkmark, 60-day money-back guarantee, locked, processed securely via DG Store 24. Disclaimer: the information provided in these guides from FitLife Solutions is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute professional medical, health, nutritional, or any other form of advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, prevent, or manage any medical condition. Results may vary based on individual circumstances, and we make no guarantees or warranties of specific outcomes. Always consult your physician or other qualified healthcare provider before starting any new health, diet, exercise, or wellness program, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition, are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Use of these guides and reliance on any information therein is entirely at your own risk. FitLife Solutions and its affiliates are not liable for any adverse effects or consequences arising from the application of the content. If you no longer wish to receive our email communications, you can easily unsubscribe at any time. Each email we send contains an unsubscribe link at the bottom. Alternatively, contact us at ahumusiamark21213@gmail.com with your request to unsubscribe, and we will promptly remove you from our mailing list. Terms and conditions. Privacy policy. Legal notice. All ebooks. Copyright 2026 FitLife Solutions Mark Ahumusa Kampala, Uganda. ahumusiamark21213@gmail.com. Systeme.io. These earnings are not representative for the average participants. The average participant will earn significantly less or no money at all